you off that?
With that, said that water's like boiling. With that?
Make sure you get my good side.
Yeah.
Robbie, you want to get out of the hole and do a video? Let me know.
Let the handsome guy
That little thing that just flipped down. Just make sure you pull that up. Yeah, there you go. Grab it from like where that ladder is. Yep, and then just plug that with your thumb. All the way down. Yep, and then I'll hand you this. That's the speed side.
I'll catch it when it goes, right? 1, 2, send it. Bare hand grab, like a shortstop.
And it'll spray a little this way while it's cutting.
I'm supposed to tell him. Sorry about that. What? I was like, rub your boot. I said, sorry about that. How tight did you want that?
Like good hand tight, not you don't have to break it. As long as it doesn't want to turn around the pipe. And then you hold it while I guess usually I do it one guy, but yeah, let's do it. I got a smaller gun too.
Yeah.
You want to use my gun? Yeah. It covers some of the dirt. Right where you're squatted, I would move back like 1 step. Like towards that shovel. Yeah, good to go.
Yeah, he wanted me to get one.
You feel those threads skip? Yeah, that's good. Now you can put the dump side of the wrench. Move dump sides.
This side all the way in?
Yep, crank that, yep. Keep going. Good stop. As long as you have the wrench on, right? Perfect.
Keep going or
More? Yeah, you can really crank that one. Yeah, that's good. Now the bigger wrench, undo the tool. Yep. Got it.
that open? Keep it to me closed.
Yep. And now you're gonna grab it like right here where the plug is. Yeah. Yeah, grab it there and then grab the black piece. Yep, and just wiggle it off. All the way over the plug. Yep.
T-handle. Where's that T-handle?
Oh, you want me on it while you do that?
Bro, there's, oh, you pulled it?
I got you. What is it? That T-handle. That one right there. Red one right there. Oh, come on.
And I forgot to tell you. Well, I'll tell you after. Yeah, the dumb end is nice. I was thinking about coloring one side, so you can like just know immediately. Yeah, use the dumb end for this. As long as you get all the way around it, that's the problem with the dumb end. Yeah, and then go right with that little one. Yeah, exactly. You didn't even tell him first. And I'll take
You know
that
what I
fork,
like
too.
about that though? It kind of slides a little bit before
Yeah,
it
you can
pops
feel it
right
going.
off.
Because it's all friction. So as you're loosening it.
Alright.
And what I forgot to tell you before is I usually put this on vertical and you get a little less water.
Gotcha.
Because it sprays down.
I just closed my eyes and said,
Thanks, man.